Threads by Meta has literally just launched. I'm going to be opening this app for the first time here today. I've not accessed it before, and I'm going to be walking through all of the different features so you can see exactly what to expect when this platform becomes available to you or you decide that you want to get started. Before I begin, I do just want to mention you do have to have an Instagram account to be able to access Threads. So that's the first thing, that's a prerequisite. And when you go to the Play Store or the Apple Store, it is actually called Threads by Instagram, okay? So with that in mind, I'm now going to log in with my account. So here we go, get ready for Threads. So it looks like the first thing you need to do is create a profile. So it's automatically taken my name and my username from Instagram. On the right-hand side here, we can see I have the ability to add a profile picture. And then we have the ability to add a bio, so I can write a little bit about myself. I won't do that. Now, actually, let's do that now. A very, very quick one. So, a YouTube channel. So if you like the sound of this, then you can always subscribe as well. A YouTube channel for tutorials on platforms, how-to guides, and more. Let's just leave it at that for now. Right, link, we can add a link, I'm assuming, to our YouTube. We could add this to our website, so that's really, really cool. And it looks like we can import from Instagram as well. So in the top right-hand side, I've just filled all this out. I'm not going to add a picture for now. We can see the next button, privacy. So here we go. Anyone on or off of Threads can see, share, and interact with your content. Or we can have a private profile. Let's leave it as public for now. Continue. How Threads works. So it's powered by Instagram. Okay, that sounds interesting. The Fediverse. Okay, so we've got some new terminology here. Future versions of Threads will work with the Fediverse, a new type of social media network that allows people to follow and interact with each other on different platforms. Well, that sounds interesting. And there's a little bit about our data. I'm going to join. I'm happy with that. So this is really, really interesting. So apparently, okay, so we can get notifications. Apparently, yeah, well, this is the rival to Twitter. I think there's some commonalities here. You can have things like links and photos and videos, but I don't think you can have hashtags. And I believe that messages are around 500 characters as well, so a little bit more than Twitter. So yeah, let's explore. So it looks like we've been recommended some kind of profile or account called Complex. Interesting, and we can see there's loads of different replies and likes on this at the moment. So first and foremost, it's got an Instagram quite like feel. So just kind of scroll down, it kind of features obviously a lot of picture, a lot of text, and yeah, it's quite cool actually. I quite like this already. At the bottom, we've got a home button, we've got a search ability to add a post. That's the kind of third icon. I'm assuming the heart is our favorites, and then there's a bit at the bottom with our profile, bottom right, little person image. So let's just have a little look through. Obviously, this is all just randomly curated for me. Cool, just people exploring the platform, I would have thought. Yeah, I'm not going to go through that for now, but let's have a look at the search. So if we go on search, we can see, this is again is linked to Instagram, so we can see all of these recommended people who we may want to follow. And I'm assuming if we do that, who should we go for? God, what a choice. Let's go for Shaq O'Neal. So if I go home, I'm assuming, I'll try and refresh. So I'm dragging down there, hoping it updates. I reckon, yeah, so already I'm getting some Shaq O'Neal content by the looks of things, in terms of it's more NBA focused. But yeah, I'm assuming we'll get some content from him if he ever starts to post on here. But yeah, we've got all of these people here, and we can also search. You could put some people in here. Maybe you've got some friends who have signed up to Threads. That looks like how we'd find them. In the middle, we can start a thread. So this is my first thread. Hashtags don't work, remember. But we can add an attachment, which looks cool. Anyone can reply. Say hello. Let's put say hello. Let's see what happens. Let's see what kind of engagement we get with this. Let's post that. And as we can see at the bottom, we're getting this post message, which is quite okay. We know it's posted. Let's click view. So here we go. Here's my profile that we quickly set up. We can edit it from here, but you can see my little message, which is quite cool. You can favorite it. I don't know why you do that on your own. Comment on it. Kind of retweet by the looks of things. Well, not retweet, it's the wrong terminology, but I don't know what it's called in repost in Threads terminology. And then this looks like some kind of direct message, that bottom right. And we can change who can reply to it. We can hide the like count. Oh, interesting. And we can delete it. So I can edit my profile from this page. So yeah, it's taken me to my profile, which is the bottom right. You can see that little person kind of highlighted there. What else can we do? here's everything. It was my activity, but the love heart looks like our activity, so we can see what I've liked, what I've replied to, what I've mentioned, what's been verified. That's quite cool. And yeah, that's pretty much, by the looks of things. I don't want to go into too much detail because I think you should explore it yourself. But this just looks like, this looks quite cool, fun kind of platform. Quite easy to use. It's quite intuitive, isn't it? Let's be honest. And yeah, let's just see what happens. So yeah, I hope this video is useful. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be releasing a lot of content on using Threads, how-tos. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions about how to do certain things. So yeah, subscribe to this channel and put the bell button on, and you'll be notified of when I release all new videos related to Threads. So with that said, I suggest you download it if you can, if it's available in your region, and enjoy it, and let me know how you get on. And you know what? Hit me up on it, or send a message, maybe even comment on my new post. So yeah, with that said, take care.